Hello, welcome. My name is Juan, and on today's video, I'll be talking about the 4 watch faces I use to optimize my life. Stay tuned. So, Apple Watch face number 1. This is my daily driver, the one I use around the house or for everyday use. We have the weather in the middle. Then we have time and date, and then we also have our to-do list right here. So like it's easy to see what you have to get done throughout the day, and then you can check it off and keep going. You have a voice memo app, so like if you have something that you want to remember, you're like, oh, I should get eggs for the house, or I should do this, you can say it and record it right away so you can remember later. Also, you have your email at a glance, and you can just check and see different updates on your email. It's a good little app to have. And then you also have the ADT app. If you're leaving your house, you can arm it, or you can also open the garage door, which is very helpful. I will be talking about this in the next watch face because it plays a big role in the functionality of the next watch face. Watch face number 2. I like this face because it's good for working out. So what I mean by that is you have your activity tracker right here in the middle. Tells you how much calories you burned, how many times you stand up, and like your minutes of exercise for the day. Then you have your workout app. It'll keep track of your calories and your heart rate through your workout. The music app, where you can keep your music separate from your phone. Your audiobooks, so if you're running and then you want to listen to an audiobook, you can. And here's where this Apple Watch face comes in clutch. All you need is some headphones, and you can leave everything behind. If you're going for a run around the neighborhood and you don't want to carry anything except for a few headphones, and that's it. No keys, no anything, because you can leave your keys behind, your house keys and whatnot, and your wallet and everything. With this app, you'll be able to open your garage door when you are planning on running around the neighborhood, so you don't need to really open a door when you come back, because you can just open the garage door and get in the house. And so this is my go-to workout watch face. Watch face number 3. This watch face I like because it can be used for when you're studying. So this is my to-do list. So if I have any like assignment or anything I gotta like learn or anything, or different projects I could be working on, I can put them on the to-do list. If I'm listening to music and I don't want to get distracted and be like, what's that song? I need to look it up. Instead of doing that and interrupting your study session, you can just click on the Shazam app, and then it'll save the song you were listening to, the name of the song that you were listening to, for later reference. Then on the left corner of the watch face, you got a timer. So you can set timers. So let's say you wanna set a timer for 30 minutes. You put 30-minute timer and you study for 30 minutes and then take a break and then put another timer. This will get you very focused on studying and just like setting goals of like how much you want to study for. It's a very helpful tool, the timer. And then this calendar could give you like deadlines on different assignments you got, or any on or any like work related stuff you gotta like hand in at a certain date, you can like look up different stuff, or like even like, I don't know, different deadlines you have set for yourself. And then on the top left, it'll give you the temperature outside and just the time and date. And that's the watch face number 3. Apple Watch face number 4. I like it because it's very simple and it looks really good for when you're out and about in like a restaurant or something and you're in public and whatnot. This is like, it looks like a regular watch face. And then also if you are at a restaurant, like I said, you can click on the calculator app, and let's say your bill was $55. You can just press the tip, and then you can say I want to tip 18%, and let's say you had to split it between 2 people or 3 people. Then it tells you right away what the tip, what you have to pay each person. Or if you just want to pay by yourself, it lets you know how much you have to pay after tip. So it's very useful and it looks really good. Yeah, that's the 4th Apple Watch face. Thank you for watching. That was the 4 watch faces I use to optimize my life. If you liked the video, like, subscribe for more content like this, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.